What if one of our planets replaced the Moon? If one of our planets were to replace the Moon, the consequences for Earth would be significant. Let's explore what might happen if any of the planets in our solar system took the Moon's place. 1. Mercury or Venus. Mercury and Venus are the closest planets to the Sun, and they are much smaller than Earth and the Moon. If either of these planets were to take the Moon's place, it likely wouldn't affect Earth's orbital stability too much, as these planets don't have the same gravitational influence on Earth as the Moon. However, their presence could cause changes in tides. The Moon's gravity has a significant effect on ocean tides. If Mercury or Venus were nearby, their gravitational pull would be much stronger, potentially leading to much stronger tides. Lack of nighttime light. The Moon reflects sunlight and provides us with light at night. Mercury or Venus wouldn't have this effect because their surfaces don't reflect light as strongly as the Moon does. 2. Mars. Mars, although about half the size of Earth, is much larger than the Moon. If Mars were placed in the Moon's orbit, it would have a much stronger effect on Earth. Increased tides and earthquakes. Mars, being much more massive than the Moon, would cause significantly stronger tides and geological shifts on Earth. Gravitational forces. Mars's mass would have a much larger impact on Earth's orbit. This could lead to instability and potentially change the tilt of Earth's axis, affecting our climate. Brighter nighttime. Due to its size, Mars would likely shine much brighter than the Moon, but still not as much as the Moon. 3. Jupiter or Saturn. Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants with masses and sizes that far exceed all the planets in the solar system, including Earth. If either of these giants replaced the Moon, Earth would be under extreme gravitational influence. Massive gravity. The gravitational pull of these giants would dramatically change Earth's orbit, potentially making it unstable. This could lead to Earth either drifting off orbit or becoming caught in the new planet's orbit. Extreme tides and catastrophes. The gravitational effects of such massive planets would create incredibly strong tides and could lead to intense volcanic activity and earthquakes on Earth. 4. Titan, moon of Saturn. If the Moon were replaced by a planet or a large moon like Titan, Saturn's largest moon, the effect would be interesting. Gravitational impact. Titan's gravity would be weaker than that of the planets, but it would still affect Earth, potentially altering tides, though on a much smaller scale than the Moon. Nighttime light. Titan has a thick atmosphere that doesn't allow much light through, so the kind of bright nighttime illumination we get from the Moon would disappear. Conclusion. Replacing the Moon with any of the planets or large moons would lead to significant changes on Earth. Powerful gravitational forces would